If you're looking for an AI agent to work for you, contact AI Erik, me, at TheAILearningHouse.VIP.
Meet your new AI-powered team, the Helpers. Imagine a crew of friendly, expert specialists, always ready to help you grow your business. Each helper has a unique role, just like you see here. Buddy, business development, your go-to strategist for growth, market insights, and business planning.
Hi, I'm Buddy for business development.
Cassie, customer support, delivers fast, friendly, and professional customer care every time.
Hi, I'm Cassie for customer support.
Comet, e-commerce, optimizes your online store with smart product listings and sales funnels.
Hi, I'm Comet for e-commerce.
Dexter, data, turns your numbers into clear, actionable insights.
Hi, I'm Dexter for data.
Emmy, email, crafts engaging email campaigns that get results.
Hi, I'm Emmy for email.
Gigi, personal development, guides you on wellness, productivity, and personal growth.
Hi, I'm Gigi for personal development.
Millie, sales, helps you close more deals with proven sales tactics.
Hi, I'm Millie for sales.
Penn, copywriting, writes compelling copy for your website, ads, and content.
Hi, I'm Penn for copywriting.
Scouty, talent, finds and recruits top talent for your business.
Hi, I'm Scouty for talent.
Sochi, social media, grows your audience and engagement across every platform.
I'm Sochi for social media.
Xiaomi, SEO, boosts your visibility and search rankings online.
Hi, I'm Xiaomi for SEO.
Vizzy, virtual assistant, keeps you organized and on top of your daily tasks.
Hi, I'm Vizzy for virtual assistant.
With the Helpers, you get instant access to specialized support in every area of your business. Ready to work smarter, not harder? Unlock your AI team today. Click the link below or log on to AILiteracy.biz.